wanted to show you my process for making a smooth block cat for our game HexCats. If you're curious about the project or want to follow development, you can join our Discord, link will be in the description. I'm doing this in Aseprite, but honestly you can apply the same idea in pretty much any pixel art software. Let's start with the setup. I start by creating 5 frames total and put the neutral pose of the cat on frame 1. You can use fewer frames or more if you want, this is just what felt right to me. For simplicity, I'm not separating the cat into layers. The process would be the same though. When I animate, I always start with big simple movements first, then refine things later. Don't overthink it early. Frame 1. I don't touch this frame at all. This is my base pose. Frame 2. I copy frame 1 into frame 2. Here I select the ears and part of the head and move them up a little bit. Then I fill in any gaps that show up. Frame 3. I copy frame 2 into frame 3. I move the ears and head up a little bit, grab the tail and move it up a little bit as well, and slightly lift the body by nudging some ground pixels. Last thing here, I move the eyes a little bit up as well, and again, clean up any gaps that I made. Frame 4. I copy frame 1 into frame 4. This is where the squash starts. I grab the head, ears and tail and move them down a little bit. The eyes go down too. I also push the body slightly outward on the sides to sell the squish. Then I clean up any weird pixels. Frame 5. I copy frame 4 into frame 5 and squash it even more. I move the tips of the ears and tail down a little bit, push the bottom of the body down so it touches the ground, and move the eyes further down for extra weight. At this point, I play the animation in the preview and just watch how it feels. Now we refine. Part 2. Refining. Step 1. I go frame by frame and make sure everything that should move is actually moving together. This is where I give the tail some more subtle extra motion. I always keep the mass in mind, I'm just moving pixels around, not adding or deleting volume. Step 2. I stare at the preview and look for dead spots or awkward motion. If something feels stiff or wrong, I tweak it until the whole animation feels smooth and alive. That's basically it. Simple movements first, refinement second. Don't overcomplicate it early and let the preview do the talking. If this helped, feel free to check out the project or hang out in the Discord.